Hello, Mad Hatters, and welcome to our 29th episode. And today, Sabika and I will be dishing out another very fast paced episode, hopefully. And we will be talking about how showing up every day is an act of courage.
Absolutely. I am Sabika Courageous Muzaffar.
I am Priya, somewhat courageous, not Muzaffar.
चलो ठीक है.
Alright.
3, 2, 1. रोटी बना ली मैंने. Action.
Okay, so I'll go first. I want to give a shout out to my domestic help, my auntie Murthy auntie. I know my mother thinks that she takes too many chuttis, but I know she is there for my family every day for the last how many ever long years she's been with us. Everybody's missing their domestic helps a bit too much. For me, I think the most courageous act that she does is leaves her home in the morning after finishing all the chores at her own home to come to our home to do all the chores at our home. And she does it day after day after day after day on a loop. This is a shout out to Murthy Auntie.
Okay, this is a shout out to my father. I have grown up seeing PhD students coming in at 1 a.m. in the night to work on their PhDs. I was like, when I was growing up, I was like, is this how teachers are supposed to be? Is this the kind of investment I will get from my faculty, where I am welcome at their place at like any hour of the day, literally? And right now, he is making the best of the fact that there's a lockdown, and actually he's like put his head down into his students' PhDs, and he's so happy that he's getting like uninterrupted flow, which he never got earlier. So it's I'm almost feeling like he's doing his fifth or sixth or seventh PhD in his life, because he actually gives his PhD students the kind of commitment someone would give to their own PhD. So
Since you give a shout out to your father, it's about time. In one video at least, I give shout out to my father, who I called very fondly Babby because I couldn't say Baba as a kid. Hi. This is a shout out to you because he basically is a workaholic like your father too, and he's also a professor who happens to be a researcher too. So basically, my earliest childhood memory of my father is him with his head down working on his desk, and ever since then, I've seen him just like that for the last so many years.
I want to give a shout out to a lot of people who have ensured that I keep putting up content at a certain point of time that I have committed. Because to be honest, there are a lot of these commitments you make that, like, every week I will put up this video, every 2 weeks I will put up this podcast, every whatever day I will put up this YouTube channel talk show. And you slack and you feel like, Arey yaar. And I think the shout out actually does go more to the people who bring you back that energy to be able to show up. So this is definitely a shout out to some people who have for a year or more been like, डंडा मारना है मेरे सर पे. कहाँ है आज का episode?
Okay, on that vein, shout out to you, Sabika. I know we've spoken about the designated drivers and we have spoken about who's driving which show content. I know this is not the only show you're producing. You're producing three more, two more alongside. It is not easy to be a digital creator in these mad times, but you're doing it effortlessly. And guys, just the act of showing up every day on any online platform consistently, it is not easy. It is really not easy, and thank you for doing that.
I love you. He love that भी बोल ही देना चाहिए ना. हम PS love you करते रहते हैं,
But this is a shout out to mums and motherhood. You never ever had a day off. We are so thankful.
oh, seriously.
Mad Heart Talks is only 29 days old. It is a baby, and we know that for 29 days, showing up for this time is not easy. We have no idea how you've done it. We have no idea how you've done it. We have no idea how you've done it.
Actually, one day I will think about this. How did we do this? How? But yeah, I think on that note, Let's offer some courageous love. And yes, the show must go on. And I hope you're showing up, because showing up is actually sometimes more than half the battle won. All right, 3, 2, 1. Noisy kissy. PS love you.
PS love you.